Okay, so how we create our sheet drawings. We go over here to Terry Sheet A, create, all caps, puzzle cube is the project name, your name, first and last, in all caps, your period, and the name of the cubes. The first one we're going to do is blue, and I hit OK. Here at base, and then I have to go and click that little folder and find my blue cube and hit open. And that I check to see if it looks okay. It does not actually look okay for a front view. So I go ahead and let me actually undo everything I just did there. Open. And find my blue. Open. Okay. And now this is my front. This should be my front view. This is not a front view, so this is not very good. I can move down here. That's still not right. Up here and over. So that doesn't look good. So let's do this one more time. So the first view it pops down when it does its base is so it should be the front. So it's doing this for my front. So I'm going to move it over here a little bit. Now I move straight over to get my side. I move straight up to get my top, and I move diagonal to get my ISO. But these are all messed up. So while I'm right here, I'm going to start clicking on this until it looks right. And I happen to luck out, and that looks right. I'm going to keep the 1-to-1 ratio, and I'm going to hit OK. Now I'm going to move some things around a little bit so this is nice and spaced out. Your ISO is always shaded. So once I saw these 3 dotted lines, I double click to open this menu, and I make it shaded, and I turn a little light bulb on so I can see my view and my scale. Now I click on annotate, dimension, and I need to do height, width, and depth. I'm going to do height on my side. So I click on the very bottom. I click on the top, but notice I'm not clicking on the green dot. That is on purpose. Don't click on the green dots. Click to the side, pull it off. There's my height. So this is height and width. Height has already been done. So I'm going to do my total width. And then on this one, I'm going to do my total depth. And then I hit File, Save. And we're going to save this as my blue IDW. And then I'm going to do File, Print. And I'm going to print one to put in my portfolio as a paper copy. And then I'm also going to, I'm going to print one for my portfolio. I'm going to 308B. And do the premium printer because that'll get you better quality. And then I'm going to go File, Export, PDF, and that gets my PDF that I'm going to have my electronic copy, and it should save it in my Puzzle Cube folder. Now you just repeat this process with all 5 pieces.